Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, Uterelo is moving to places right now, okay? Uterelo is moving to higher places. Uterelo is now getting booked, guys. She is getting bookings. Can you guys guess, Nje? Can you just guess, Wuti, where is she booked and what is she going to be doing there? And yes, in some things, social media, guys, social media will open doors for you, doors that you didn't even think that would open for you. Social media will open doors for you, Shem. So Uterelo posted this on her Instagram story. She is invited to speak at the Authentic Women Summit. The theme is fearlessly authentic. So maybe, when they look at her, they see someone who's authentic, not fake, and in tonton, and then they say, La night title yake, it's reality TV star and also a mom. I am so confused. What is she going to be saying there? What advice is she going to give to people? I'm just interested to hear what she is going to be saying, so I'm looking forward maybe we will see man videos on social media, of things that she said in that event, because honestly I really don't think I don't know, but I don't know, but I really don't think she's the person to be she's the right person to be booked for that. But Kesana, each to their own, and she might even surprise us all. She might even surprise us. But yes, guys, she is getting bookings now, and I'm sure there's many bookings to come after this, So the reality TV show really opened doors for them, and also for Uvuyukazi, guys. They were also getting campaigns to do their hair. So nje kuningi, but congratulations to Uterelo. Too many more bookings to come, too many more bookings to come, so that she can just go and advise women how to be authentic.